I'm so autopilot from like 80 carries that have like, you know, I don't even know what I just said. What the hell? Okay, that made up for me eating right there. Oh my god, I have hiccups again. Why? Again? But why? What's your dog look like? Remember when he was a pupper? He's pretty big now. His skin sucks. Thanks, cat. You know, I really like Leona. You have a boyfriend? I do. I'm out of soda, chat. No more Canada Dry for me. Those AC skills, I literally kited in a circle. No, you don't? Oh, you want to bet? How much you want to bet? There's more guys attracted to John than there are girls, to be honest. It's kind of crazy. He tells me about it every time he streams. Hey, Pantheon, what's good, my homie? Ah, homie. Yeah. I'm a straight male, and every time I join John's stream, I call him cute. Yeah, people ask him for kisses and stuff. I know how I feel about it. That was a hard int. Hi, Quicks. What's up, Lanimal? Wait. I VIP'd you, man. What's going on, dude? How you doing? When's your can I call wait, I have hiccups. Can I call her your wifey? When is your wifey leaving to Cali? John's gonna drive to LA like tomorrow or something. I think. No, day after tomorrow. Hi Ludens, welcome back. Hi, 1 me, 2 nice, 3 sky, 4 colors. Oh god. Nice meme, dude. Oh my god, I have hiccups again. Why? I've just been drinking water. What's up, Con? Yo, thanks, dude. I gotta keep that confidential? You're not... Oh, okay. That's fine. That's fine. I got you. I get you, man. I get you. John's so cute. Oh, I need a BF. It's okay. Coming to Cali in August. Will I see you and John at any events in August? What is it, August of next year? I'm not planning that ahead. I don't even know what's going on in August. We're playing VR games. Hi, Killua. You look like a chug jug. You too, dude. How many normals do I have? We hit 5,000. Let's do the math. Hold on. For some reason I can't hit the plus sign because I'm too lazy to press shift. Oh yeah, swimsuit Caitlin. Let's go. Alright, yeah, I need some IGNs. Thanks for playing, guys. Yeah. I don't mean to be a bad influence or anything, but like, I'm procrastinating studying for my finals, so, you know. Yo, what's up, Minra? Let me get an invite? I need an IGN, man. Season 9 Top Jungle. I'm gonna invite people who haven't played. How about that? I'm inviting a bunch of people. Server joins first. There you go. Yeah, I am D4 right now. Hi, Xavier. Hi, Muja. Finally, I get to use the Caitlyn skin. What do you study? I study communications. Okay, but I only have 3 finals, and one of them is like a impromptu speech, so it shouldn't be that bad. What the heck? An error has occurred. Looks like you're getting a bonk emote? Really? Yo, pause. Nice. I'm excited. Okay. Here you go. Okay, listen. It's not because I want to play Caitlyn, it's because of the skin. Like, what other champion in this game has a bathing suit skin besides Lulu? Thanks, Sphinx. Thanks, Gabble. Tell your support to play Nico. You pick Soraka. Misfortune? Graves? 80 carry? No. No. Draven? We did that today. That was bad. So how did I get rid of my hiccups last time? I drank 7 sips of water. Hold on. Is it gone? My Draven is okay. Why are you saying Jaden's Draven LMAO like it's a joke? What the hello? Oh my god, they're still there. Try holding your breath. I don't want to get asthma, man. What are you trying to do to me? Trying to kill me? What the heck? Yo, CJ, thanks for playing. I'm not proving my Draven to anybody. My Draven sucks. The only person that can play Draven and do well, Tyler won. Only person. What do you mean imagine breathing? In your opinion, is straight B's okay? Because my dad said that I won't get into college with those grades. No, yeah, you're fine. Do better next time. You got this. Da, 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 da. I'm kidding, chat. I know. I'm a key pie is like hard chunky one though. Come on now. Look at this background, bro. Deep space. What a wicked picture. Hi, Malmu. Welcome back. I just realized Jaden and John can drink milk bag. Wait, what? Can't drink. Why are there so many dodges? Hello? What emote is that? Is that a pickle jar? Why you have a pickle jar? What the heck? Come play with me Fortnite?